This is what it should look like when you're done. Except yours is going to look different because you have a different font family, a different type scale. Well, the type scale is going to be the same. You're going to use paragraph fonts for all of the default buttons. Small buttons, you can use the typography that's right beneath a paragraph. I think I called it copyright text or helper text. And then you could use like an H5 for the large buttons here. This is what it should look like generally. So I've created this chart here for you. So using your colors, so let me do an example. If you click R, that gives you a rectangle tool. You can draw a rectangle here, and you can see it's filled. So I'm going to fill this with my primary color. I'm going to do that by clicking these 4 little dots here and select one of my color styles. And so now that's changed. Then you can press T, and then I'll give you text. You can click and it'll just start the cursor there. You can even draw a box if you want. I'm going to call this Submit. Okay? And I didn't add a text style. Let me do that real quick. So if I create a new text style, I'm going to call this paragraph. Now I've got a text style. I can go back to my button. I can highlight this text. If it's already linked to a text style, which it might be, you can unlink it here. And then you can open this and select paragraphs. Now it's my paragraph text. Okay. And so I want you to just play around with this. You can add some border radius. That's going to be this little thing up here. You can add some border radius. You can make them fully round. You can make them square. Just make sure that like this label obviously is not going to pass color contrast. It's going to be too dark. So I want to actually give this a text color inverted. I'm going to create this text style. We'll call you text. Oh, see, this is what happens if you don't double click and highlight the box. It's going to be really hard to add that color. So text color inverted. Now I can go to my button and say, okay, this is a little too dark. Let me give this a color of text color inverted. And there you go. So take the next, let's say 30 minutes. This is going to take a little bit longer. Take the next 30 minutes and create a chart that looks just like this. And for the warning, error, and success, you should have grabbed those from here, which I've already given to you.